New weapon unlocked. This DayZ magnetic switch keyboard crafted by Keychron is the ultimate weapon to survive churners. It's a full metal, wireless magnetic switch keyboard with a DayZ-inspired design all around. Check out this premium reflective detail on the back. All right, time to scavenge some loot. These cherry-profile dye-sub PVT keycaps were built to outlast any apocalypse. Loaded up with Hall-effect magnetic switches for fine-tuned actuation, trigger distance, and control. In the dark, light is everything. Okay, we're ready to explore. This beast comes with HE mode and is equipped with a 1000 Hz polling rate for instinct-level reflexes for headshots. 22 light effects for night raids and sound-absorbing foams keep you unnoticed, even from the infected. The wait is over. This special edition keyboard is now available for a limited time. Hit the link and secure yours today.